Hello, I'm going to show you how to make fresh cranberry sauce. You're going to need fresh cranberries, of course, orange juice, and sugar. Don't forget your cup because that's going to be important. 1 cup measuring cup. Let's get started. Now get yourself a medium saucepan and pour your cranberries in the saucepan. Notice this is 12 ounces, okay? Now, pour in 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of orange juice. I'm using extra pulp orange juice just to add a little bit texture. Turn up your heat just enough, probably around medium, because we want to bring this to a good boil. I like to use a spoon that has a hole in the middle because I want everything to flow easily. Gently stir your mixture. You want the sugar to dissolve into the orange juice, and at this point your cranberries are going to be firm, but you're going to wait for it to get soft as it boils. Notice it's boiling here on the edges. This is what you want, but you want it to boil throughout all the cranberries, so we're going to leave it on here just a little bit longer. Now it's looking really good. We got good boiling all around the edges here. We want our cranberries to burst here. Now I think it's important to turn it down to a simmer, and we're going to cover it. We're going to give it some time. Now, depending on how hot it is, give it about 15. Now we're going to turn it down. Let's see what we got here. Oh, overflowed a little bit, but that's okay. I think we're done here. Let's take a look. Wow, look at that. All the cranberries have nicely burst, and we just give it a nice little stir. Nothing is burned, everything is nice. And for whatever feast you're having, you put this wonderful, delicious sauce in a container and you're good to go. Hope this was helpful.